Morning, welcome to Carter & Haynes. Early morning sun is definitely my nemesis at the moment, although it's better to have a bit of sun than it is rain, wind, and it's a nice brisk morning. Here we have something a little bit different, a little bit special. This is a Mercedes C-Class. I will reveal why it's different in a minute. As you can see, it's got the full gloss black kit on it, 19-inch alloys with Pirelli P0 tyres, gloss black grille, front splitter. Really does look the part, this one. Wing mirrors, night pack, even the door handles have been wrapped. We have the rear spoiler, the boot, and we have the diffuser, and also you can see the pan roof there. Yeah, this car's a little bit different because it's a C220d, but in a very rare 4MATIC edition. So this is a four-wheel drive car. You don't see too many of these about. So for those of you that like a four-wheel drive, this will be the one for you. It is absolutely stunning, as you can see. It is the premium edition, so you get the pan roof, get the electric heated memory seats, sat nav, all the bits you need, reverse camera, etc, etc. It's a really nice low mileage car, this. We do take part exchange. We offer finance. If you go to our website www.carterandhaynes.co.uk, or you call us on 01244 570 814, and hopefully the sun will continue. Thanks for looking.